For problem 6, ang requirement niya is to prepare a flexible budget for the two departments. So ito po yung sa first department. So yung first department po, ang normal capacity niya is 200,000. So yun po yung ilalagay nating 100% capacity. Okay? And then yun pong 200,000, yun yung basis ng 90%, 80%, 70%, and 60% capacity in terms of machine hours. No? So, dito daw po sa department na to, yung fixed overhead is 300,000. So, makikita po natin, yung fixed overhead is consistent kahit ilang percent pa ng capacity ang nagagamit. Ang nagbabago syempre ay yung variable overhead na ang rate daw ay 650 per machine hour. So yung pong ating variable overhead will be computed using number of machine hours times 6 pesos and 50 centavos. So yun po yung mga lumabas na amount ng variable overhead. So yan na po, tinotal na po natin yung overhead under each level of capacity. The same pattern follows yung sa department, is this department 2? This one. Okay, department 2, no? So, ang kanya namang rate is 7 pesos for each direct labor hours, no? At ang normal capacity niya is 400,000 machine hours. Ano? So, medyo meron ng konting twist. Ang sabi kasi dito, 1 direct labor is equal to 2 machine hours. No? Kaya meron tayong dalawang column dyan ng direct labor at machine hours. No? So, yung machine hours, divide mo lang sa 2, yun yung number of direct labor hours. So, ang fixed overhead at this department is 500,000. So, consistent po yan all throughout, kagaya nung kanina. And then, yung direct labor hours, yun po yung gagamitin nating basis, no, para dun sa capacity, no? Kung 90%, 80%, 70%, 60%, ano? So yung ang base po ay yung nasa 100% syempre. So ngayon, yung variable overhead is 7 pesos times number of direct labor hours. No, so tingnan mo na lang po sa bawat column kung ilan yung direct labor hours, multiply mo lang po sa 7 para makuha yung variable overhead ng department na to at each usage of capacity. So this is the end of our discussion for chapter 5 problems, and I'm leaving you with this quote: patience is not the ability to wait, but the attitude while waiting. Thank you for your attention, and I hope na nakatulong ako para mas maintindihan ninyo ang chapter 5.